During the 1970s, psychologist Paul Ekman identified six basic emotions that he suggested were universally experienced in all the human cultures. The emotions he identified were happiness, sadness, disgust, fear, surprise, and anger. According to Sign, a person exhibits 27 emotions. So later on, he expanded the list and added on pride, shame, embarrassment, as well as excitement. Hi all, this is Jaspreet Kaur Bodraj and welcome back to episode 17 of Impacting Lives with Jaspreet. Today I shall be talking on emotions. Emotions can be identified as positive or negative experience that is associated with a particular pattern of a psychological activity. I am an emotional person. There is nothing wrong in it. There is no harm in being emotional. I cry my heart out when I am sad or upset. I laugh out loud on a silly joke cracked. There's nothing wrong in it. In fact, the researchers have also proved that when you cry, you release endorphins and oxytocins, and these chemicals make you feel good from within. When you laugh, that helps you lose weight. So burn off the extra calories by laughing for no reason. It was the final result day. I went along with my mom to receive the report card. The class teacher told, Jaspreet has got the highest marks in English. I was so happy, excited, and at the same time, I was so astonished because I had not expected to score the highest since my paper went off not too good. Just the next moment, the teacher told she has flung in Sanskrit. All my excitement and happiness vanished in no second. That was the time when I experienced multiple emotions simultaneously. The ability to recognize your emotions is known as emotional intelligence. Emotionally intelligent people are liked, loved, adored, admired by everyone, and hence we too want to become emotionally intelligent. When emotionally intelligent people have a doubt or query, it gets sorted out in no time. When they need some help, help is granted to them in no time because they are the ones who balance their emotions. They don't get upset very quickly. So I'm sure all of us would love to become emotionally intelligent. The good news is that emotional intelligence is a skill that can be learned, developed and acquired with time. So today I shall be sharing with you 3 strategies to improve your emotional intelligence. The first strategy to improve your emotional intelligence is do your self-evaluation. Do the SWOT analysis, find out your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. The second strategy to improve your emotional intelligence is to examine how you react to stressful situations. Do you get upset? Do you blame somebody out of stress? Answer these questions to yourself. This helps to improve you emotionally. The last strategy to improve on your emotional intelligence is take action. Take responsibility for your own action. If you hurt someone, say them sorry, apologize. There's nothing wrong, no shame in doing that. Use the golden word thank you. So friends, this way, you won't do anything wrong to you. In fact, the other person will admire you because you have acknowledged your mistake and apologized. Thank you for listening to me. If you like my video, hit on the like button, share and subscribe. Let's impact lives together. Thank you.